So this is the room. We have a closet over here, and over here I've kept my jackets, and we have a coffee maker along with 2 cups. Everything is sanitized. We have a TV. We also have a tiny fridge, and then we have a really nice bed. It's quite comfortable, and we have got 2 phones over here. I'm not sure if it's just intercom to ring up the room service, or we can use it for normal purpose as well. Oh yeah, we can surely use it for international and national calls. You can see it over here. And then we have a really nice painting over here. Looks cool. And I guess they have put an alarm. Or does it do anything else as well? Like, looks like it has charger for the previous generations of iPhones right here. And then this is the bathroom. Looks quite clean and well maintained.
So that's all about the Holiday Inn Express Hotel at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi.
Oh, that's really cool. Alright, hit like and subscribe for more such videos, and tell us what you feel about this room. Thank you.